You guys, Monty here back with another video, and somebody dared me to smack myself, so that's what I'm gonna do. That really hurts. Yeah, I'm at a good start. I haven't forgot to do a video yet. And yeah, see you guys on Thursday. And I'm just gonna smack myself again because it's fun. Peace. I decided to do one more slap. Or a couple more. Please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe for more.